Good morning, friends. Last week I went to a place known as Baruipur, which is very near to the city where I stay, Kolkata. Baruipur is a renowned birding hotspot, and this open grassland uh, hosts a diverse range of migratory and resident birds. I visited on a chilly, foggy December morning, and first hour was a bit disappointing, but once the sun rose above the horizon, the birds became active, transforming the next 3.5 hours into a memorable experience. During this visit, I spotted four lifers, the Eurasian wryneck, common chiffchaff, Eurasian stonechat, and a resident bird of here, Bengal bush lark. Additionally, I photographed several other species, including the plain pinia, red avdavad, zitting cisticola, purple heron, and chestnut munia, and all set against the beautiful morning light backdrop. Bengal bush lark, it's a resident bird of the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia, and is found in the countries of Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Myanmar, and Nepal. Common chiffchaff is one more bird which I saw for the first time. It's a tiny warbler that flies all the way from the North America and Siberia to the grasslands of Baruipur. Eurasian stonechat, again it's a migratory bird which comes flying from Europe to India, and I could see it in the Baruipur grassland. Eurasian wryneck, it spends the summer across all Europe and parts of Siberia. In winter, it migrates to India, Southeast Asia, and it's not a warbler but belongs to the woodpecker family. Now, enjoy the other species which I photographed during this visit. Do like my channel and subscribe my channel and share